You guys, there might be a problem. Basically, anytime I meet a random person in the lobby and I say cake of knowledge, they don't know what it means. Sometimes they're like, hey yo, but this cake right here is called the cake of knowledge.
Oh, Gigi, why do you call it the cake of knowledge?
That's a good question. And here's why. When I was first starting my YouTube channel, I created this video called, like an experiment gone wrong, so then I'll pop it up. In the video, we experimented on a cake, fed it to a zombie, and he became too smart. And so to this day, that's why I called this cosmetic the cake of knowledge.
Subscribe so you can have some cake of knowledge.